Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on HMD Pulse Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. And here you can click skip introduction. And now you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now again. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.